Hey guys, and welcome to another day of our stream. Mm, let's go direct into the charts. Let me just adjust this here a bit better, just like this, and this does not need to be so bright. Well, that's better here. I don't know, it's this though, but yeah, anyway, let's move on. Let's start again on the higher time frame. We will start from the weekly again, because let's just drop with a quick view on the monthly. We haven't anything here to take care of, only this volume imbalance, but like I don't think we will reach a range of 1,000 points today. So yeah. Let's go to the weekly. Yeah, so basically we have the weekly. We took out both of the sell sides I wanted to see be taken out. We still got, oh no, we even took this one out. So yeah, we took a lot of sell side out here. So in my opinion, we could be done with going higher and lower for this week. But yeah, just let's continue with other time frames as well. We have our daily. We have this order block here, additionally to this fair value gap on the daily. So we made it with hold on, there we go. We made it with the wick above the equilibrium of this level, but not with the body. So this is bearish to me, and we haven't even reached fair value gap here. So I guess this is pretty bearish. Let's jump to the 4-hour. This is also giving me some bearish signs here. Maybe one would say this is a I guess it's a bear flag, isn't it? Like this one here. And this one as well. Could happen because I really think that we will go lower. Because hold on, let me I lost it. Yeah, like I think we will go lower. We have this fair value gap here, we have this inversion level here, and we are staying with the wicks and bodies below it, and we are not able to close above it. Like this is showing me the willingness to go lower. Yeah, and the 1 hour chart is pretty much the same like the 4 hour chart. I mean, it's, there is not much of a difference to it. We have this inversion level here as well, like this one here going through and taking this one with it. But yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't say it's that strong, but yeah, it's a level of, let's say, resistance here, right? So, all right, let's go to the 15-minute chart. Um, we have several levels here. We are in between the range of the last day low and the last day high. We made a huge leg down since the Asian range closing, like made a leg up during the end of the Asian session, retracement to the opening range gap after Asia, and then before London we continued our way higher again, but below the last high, and then we just smashed lower. So I'm really not sure what to think about it because um, like we took out this buy side here, right? This the buy side of the Asian range. We still have this whole buy side here in play. So what I would assume and where I would enter would be if we open with a leg lower, go below or touch somehow the last day low, and then doing some reversal and shooting higher. Yeah, this would be my entry. Mm, I have to just adjust my AirPod because somehow it's letting some noise through. I mean, you can hear it, but um, there are a lot of surround sounds. Mm, there we go. Yeah, so basically I'm waiting for the opening to show me some kind of sentiment for the heat map and um, giving me some signs where we want to go. We get the opening in 1.5 minutes. And yeah, so we wait until then. Hold on, I'll be right back. There we go. One half a minute until to the opening. Oh, I'm not even logged in. Perfect. Let me quick log in. There we go. Just like this. All right, okay, so what I want to see is just lower prices for the opening. Maybe at the beginning, like up to take out, where is my mouse? To take out this buy side here, and after it took out this buy side, maybe a smash lower. But first I have to look at the Forex Factory. I haven't even looked at it today. Yeah, of course, we have Trump speaking again. Man, I don't get it. Like each fucking day, this guy's speaking. I really like him, but those speeches just mess around with the charts, right? So let me have a look when he's speaking. Um, let's see today. Has he already spoke? I think so. Like I don't see him. Oh, there we go. At what's this? It's like 3, I guess. Yeah, it should be 3. So I guess he just signs executive orders around 3. Um, maybe that's the usual process after entering the White House. Like seems legit to me because it's always signing executive orders or stuff. By the way, the speech, not the speech, the dialogue with Zelensky was very funny. I liked it. So we go lower. Let me just bring this one up to here to, where is my price? Here we go. This, this one, but I think they're acting different, aren't they? Yeah, stupid me. We have to go to the MQ here, not to the US 100. This looks far better. So we have this last day low here. I will bring it to the daily, but I don't get it. Why is this? Ah, there we go. We're on the hourly. We should be on the 1 minute. Now we're talking. And it is somewhere here. There we go. This is the level I want to see it break through and retrace from here to to my macro maybe. Do we have any news? Yeah, so Trump is speaking at 3 p.m. We have Canadian PMI, which is not of high impact to me though for Nasdaq, and final wholesales inventories, which is yellow on Forex Factory. And around, what is this, 10:30, we got natural gas storage. This isn't in any interest of me neither. So let's see and let's wait. Let's see what the other indices are doing. Like what would be amazing would be if we take out the low with Nasdaq and we leave it with Dow and S&P, like giving me a divergence. This would just qualify it even more for a long idea of mine. But yeah, we have to see how this plays out. We have this consolidation here on DXY, so I guess this buy side could be something to take it out, um, due to the fact that we go in tandem with DXY the last couple of days. I think it will stay so. So I will not really give it a huge chance to be implemented in my analytic. So if it's not reaching the last day low and just going higher now and using the breaker now, I will not participate. Like what I want to see um, is it to break the last day low. Like I want to see this level to be broken. Otherwise, I will not participate, and I want to see it at macro. Mm, Otherwise, it needs to give me some real obvious entry. We haven't built any real-time hour for value gap now, real trading hour for value gap now. So I hope this stays so. I hope this stays so until we took out the last day low and go above it. But yeah, let's see. If it goes higher from here, I will not participate. Like I'm fine with not taking the trade due to the fact that we are before macro and also um, before macro and also we haven't took out any sell side here, like higher time frame sell side. I'm talking about this one here. This is the only sell side which would be reasonable to take it out, or even this one. But yeah, it's depending how price would react around this last day low. If it's reacting right now on the breaker here on the 1 minute basis, um, I would be done. Like I wouldn't consider anymore going into this trade. But let's see. We got 19 minutes left until the 4-hour candle is closing, this one here. So this is giving me even stronger the validation of a potential up move in the macro, which would be like take this low out with this candle, and after this candle is closing, we go higher into this fair value gap to smash lower. Like this would be reasonable for me. But yeah, so we have our first presented fair value gap here. That's pretty nice here. Let's make this one not extended and make it red to see that it's our candle of today. All right, there we go. Like favorable, I would see it close below. It closed inside, which isn't typically what I want to see, but due to the fact that I'm not in a trade and it's just analysis right now, um, I don't really care. So So what is good is that we kind of respect the levels, like this fair value gap. We at least we respect it. So it's not a sign um, of a high resistance liquidity run. I think we will just jump around a bit on this level here. We are right now. Until the macro starts. And in the macro, I really think that we will take out the low to go higher. I could be wrong though. We could take it out, and we could not take it out and go higher without taking it out, but that's nothing for me. Like I wouldn't be involved in that. I will wait until it is taking out the last day low, and if it does not want to do that, it's okay for me. So preferable, I would want to see that price is touching the real-time alpha value gap from below now and giving some really huge and strong reaction lower. Let's see how it's acting as soon as it's touching the real time or the real trading hour fair value gap. If it does, I mean it could just smash lower or higher and not respecting it at all. But price isn't giving me the signs that it will spike through it again to the upside. And if it does so, then I really think about a high resistance liquidity run. So let's see. Yeah, that's exactly what I don't want to see. So maybe we will switch to a high resistance liquidity run. Because normally it shouldn't just it shouldn't wick all the time through both sides. It should respect this level. But price wasn't able to close even inside of it. If this remains, so um, it's okay. Again, we weren't able to close inside of the first presented fair value gap, and now even the wick was stuck inside, which is pretty cool. Like, this is the kind of behavior I like to see. So let's see, maybe we will catch along here. Like, this isn't looking good. No, closed above it isn't what I want to see. Like, I want to see the opposite. I want to see the low being taken out. I mean, look at this price action. This is really messy. Like, we're not respecting this level at all. It's just like it's not there. It's just obviously going through it back and forth and not giving a shit about it. It's all red. Like, it's a bloodbath on um, the heat map in every sector, right? Like, health is the is the neutral and also non-durable consumer. Yeah, but let's see. This isn't really a market I like to be involved in, but if it gives me something really obvious, I will take it. Which is pretty cool because these levels here are very close to each other. Like, we have a difference of 50 points. This means that the risk wouldn't be so much here. Oh, should I close the heat map? Mm. So macro has started. I would like to see it go higher now. Um, the macro should go lower for me to fulfill my um, narrative, but like for now, it's not really looking good for for my narrative. Let's see. Let's see. Like my narrative would collapse if we take out. Let's see. Yeah, I think even this high or this high. Let's say like this high, yes, and one of these highs, even if one of those are taken out, um, I would I would have to readjust my thought process. Yeah, so I don't really think that my narrative will like it's still there. I still have this narrative, but it's the odds are very much against it. Mm, And as soon as we take out the high from the equilibrium of the first presented fair value gap of the 5th of March, uh, it's it's terminated. Like then my narrative is done, and I have to um, adjust my thoughts about NQ today. But I really think if it does this, if it takes out this high, um, I would just Fox Factory. I would just um, would I? Yeah, probably I would just end it and not do or consider doing any trade today anymore because I really eyeball the highs and going short while my bias is long wouldn't make any sense to me though. Let's bring just um, 9:30. Where is it? Here. It was this first for Velvet, wasn't it? Yeah. It's the 9:30 open. And then we have additionally the 8:30 open, which is here. Yeah, when would be the point in terms of time to not take the trade anymore? 11:30, because this could also be something for the 11 o'clock retracement. Absolutely. I don't really think that this high we took out here, this short-term high, is something worth considering as, okay, this is enough, now we can go lower. I really think we have to go higher and take out somewhere, I don't know, this level at least, and I really eyeball this level here. Like this level here would be pretty nice, and this would be my terminus. I mean, it's a lot. It's really a lot. um, it's not unrealistic, in my opinion. By the way, we can have a look what our ATR is saying. So we get a feeling for what the daily range is even capable of doing. Oh, yeah, I know. 500? Is this true? We have like 700. Yeah, man. Oh, crazy. 500 average range for the last 7 days. Where are we at 14? Yeah, this makes more sense to me. 455. Still a lot. It's still a lot. Like we're respecting the first presented fair value gap of today with our bodies, but not with the wicks. So still nothing I want to be involved in. Well, let's see. We have we have 10 minutes left until the macro ends. And like we have several chances to still get our entry here. 1020 to 1040 macro would be something, and preferably what would be really nice would be the 1050 to 1110 macro. Like the 1050 to 1110 macro could take it out and then just retrace higher. And hold on, this would be pretty cool because we are no, we have to use this one here, like this. We're here at the equilibrium, which would mean my terminus would fit perfectly in or a bit below equilibrium. So yeah, let's see. I would like to see that. I hope we will not wait until PM session to take this out. Yeah, but let's see what Price thinks about it. I mean, there are always two sides of the coin. That's some wild price action here in the minute. Mhm. Seems like we could enter right now a high resistance liquidity run. I mean, obviously it isn't, it's not low resistance neither right now, but I had the hope of turning into some low resistance liquidity run, but it doesn't really look like it will. I don't know, but to me, it's slandering around. This looks like a bear flag, right? Like lower, high, holding those lines. Let's see, but yeah, I think that's it for me. I think I will not enter any trade today. Seems like my bias was right, but my narrative was wrong. Like there we go. I'm not interested anymore in going along right now. Probably even if it hits my level, I will do nothing. So we're pretty strong. I mean, this could be our retracement, even though I think I don't know. I still think we will do a leg lower. Maybe this could be some fake stuff to liquidate the sellers before we go to the last day low and then go higher. But for this, I really don't want to see it go above the, or at least not close above the 412 level. If so, I'm really out. Like then I wouldn't go in anymore, no matter um, what it's doing afterwards. Like even if it goes directly after it hits 411, if it goes after it to my last day low, I wouldn't do shit. Probably it's just another staying on the sidelines trade, or not trade better. There we go. This is this is the sign that I just do nothing today. That's it. Because yeah, the only thing I could imagine right now is that we will go to the last week low and take out the buy side above it and then go lower again. But what I don't do is I will not go into the continuing direction of the chart or of the price action when we're entering 11 o'clock. Like, I will not do that. I will not go in the continued direction if we enter the retracement hour. This year would have been a nice entry. I mean, you could have gone long here with the stop loss here, but this is the level I wanted to see it take out. So I will not put my stop loss where my entry would have been. That would be pretty stupid. Like what I really eyeball is this here, this buy side up here. This is something I really like, and I really think price could go up here. Um, yeah. So we're just dancing around this level again here. Like this looks to me like we have a we stick with the high resistance liquidity run. This one was a nice up move here. Like you could have catch it here. Um, with this breaker here, like low, high, lower, low, higher, high. Retest to the breaker and then it goes higher. This could have been something with the stop loss around here and the terminus. I don't know, longest hanging fruit would be probably maybe not this one, but this high here. Um, yeah, but it's not for me, at least not now, or not at this point of my development. Like I could also imagine that we um I could also imagine that we will go higher to the last week low, smash through it, go lower for the AM session, take out the sell side liquidity below both of the um, relative equal lows, respective last day low, um, and then go higher in PM because still now we get again two price points which are too obvious for me. We get this relative equal lows here, as well as we have this buy side. So I think price will do something weird and price will take out both of those levels. But let's see. I mean, it's also depending now on how price is behaving on this level here, which is the last week low. We could do our typical pattern. Furthermore to the time right now. Mm, so yeah, like we could take it out and then go lower and take out the sell side and then use this as our AM move and in the PM session go just higher. Like I wouldn't like to see it go lower from here. I would like to see it in fact take out this last week low and yeah. So what I guess is that we will go in direction of the opening range gap low and leave a bit, like just a small part of this wick open, of this level open. Let me hold on. This is our opening range gap, right? And I guess we will go somewhere in this direction, but fail around here or here and leave this part of the gap open and then go lower before we go higher again in the afternoon PM session. We are in the macro for over 1 minute now. We took out the buy side, what I typically want to see for my pattern, but I will not take this one because we're, as I said, I will not take this one as long as we're in between two price points. We haven't even took out this low here on ES. Even we took it out on Dow, but yeah, this is not enough for me. I don't know. I expect either NQ or ES to do something. There we go. This is our opening range gap. I don't want to see it fully closed in. I want to see price leaving something open and failing at it. If not, if we go through it and we close above it, I really, yeah, there we go. Just now we have to close above it, and then I really think that we will see higher prices. If we not close above, still everything is in play, in my opinion. But it really looks strong, so I really think we will close above it. Maybe I'm wrong. Let's see 1 second. Yeah, I'm wrong. Like we closed below. Now, let's see how the last week low is. Is doing its job as in terms of support. So yeah, we basically go through it again to through the last week low. Now if we close below it, and we do, I really think price is just playing. Like I will not do anything right now, and it really don't looks like. It really don't looks like it. It gives me something I want to be involved in. So we break down lower right now. well, plucked my earbuds out. What do we even have in terms of range today? So we have a total range of 406 points so far. More, it's 414 on a daily average range of how much was it? 460, 470? I don't know. Yeah, but anyway, like this is too risky for me. Like, I will not take any trade here anymore. This is really not for me. So would I enter somewhere here? I don't think so. I really don't think so. So I think I will close today really early. Um, the only thing which I could consider doing today is going short, and I I really don't want to do this. Like due to the fact that we have two levels here, we're trading in between. I I would just do some stupid shit, and I don't want to do that. I really don't want to risk something first on Thursday before NFP, and also in such a price action. I mean, on what we're in high resistance liquidity run, and also we're in between two levels. We don't respect our levels before. I don't know. This is just um, too much of a risk for me. It's not worth it. So we're at 10:30 right now, and I I do not really see anything I want to be involved in today, which means that um, I will close the stream early. Like I will continue analyzing the price, but I will not be involved. Mm, Tomorrow I will stream also again at 9:50, 9:15, but I will not take a trade tomorrow. For now, for today, I really believe that we will go below this and take out the sell side. But due to the fact that we have this buy side here and we're in between both of those levels, like I really think the midpoint of them is somewhere here or here. Um, I don't want to risk something which is first not my hour and secondly in this kind of price action. So before I do something stupid, I will close the stream. I will close the charts. um, Maybe grab a coffee and then I will continue and write some stuff on X. So probably this will be the smartest stuff to do. So yeah, makes no sense to me. So I will end and we will see us tomorrow at 9:50 again. 9:15, 9:15, not 9:50, 9:15 again. And yeah, since this price is doing whatever it wants to do. Also, we could just go until to this fair value gap, and then we could go higher because this here is, it's not really a breaker because it hasn't broke any of my higher time frame key levels, but yeah, it could act like one today due to this weird price action. So that's it for me. I will close and I wish you a good trading. We will see us tomorrow, 9:15 again. And um, until then, have a nice evening, a nice day, and also a nice hold.